Hey Andrew, this is Peterson. This is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and today I spoke with Wes, who thought you would be interested in this video I'm about to show you. So today we're going to go over just a few tips that you can apply right away that will help with your online visibility and get more of those organic leads. So we are on your website, and you have a decent looking website. Let's see. Okay. Looks like you might have a separate page for each of your services. If that's the case, that's perfect. That's what you really need. You got some content here, which is great. But I'm not really seeing any dialed in buyer intent keywords for this location. Looks like Reno. Ton of content. Content is key when it comes to ranking, and it's very important. Um, I've noticed that you have multiple different areas that you service, and so each of those service area needs their own page, which you have. But what I also noticed is that your home page and each of these pages are exactly the same content, just switching out the location, and that isn't going to help you. Um, each page needs its own unique content focused on the buyer intent keywords for your services for that specific area or town. They're not going to be the same. They need to be different. Google likes the homepage to have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words, which looks like you definitely have that. You need to have more content than your top competitors, and you need to focus that content on your local buyer intent keywords. Those are going to be the keywords people are actively searching to find the services that you offer. They probably won't know the name of your business and probably won't care the name of your business when they're having an emergency. They're going to want the first person that they can get to their home. So it is really important that you have your content dialed in to the right keyword strategy and that you're going after those local keywords, not all these national keywords. Unless you service all 50 states, then that's another conversation. Um, so you definitely want to make sure that you have the separate pages and you have the content and keywords. Google indexes every single one of your pages and pulls the content looking for the keywords so that they can rank you for these keywords and put you in front of your customers. This is one of your top competitors. It's not a real strong competitor, but it is one of your top competitors. 911 Restoration of Reno. It is a franchise. They have a decent website. They've got a ton of content. They are going after those local keywords. They're not targeting enough of the local keywords. It's a problem many franchises have. Um, is they pretty much just duplicate everything. Um, so they do have the ton of content. You need to make sure you have more content that it's focused on those relative local keywords, that you're not duplicating content on every page. Every page is unique and different with their own keywords, so your keywords are not being cannibalized. This is a program called Ahrefs that helps us to analyze how your website performs. You currently have a rating of an 8 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which means Google doesn't have a whole lot of trust in your website, which is 100% because of your domains and backlinks. Not all backlinks are created equal, so it's very critical that you have do follow relevant, highly authoritative backlinks. This is not necessarily the case for you. You have over 1,800 backlinks and only a score of an 8, which says a lot of these backlinks are of poor quality, no follows, or spammy, irrelevant backlinks to your industry. But you have to have more backlinks than your top competitors in every single one of your service areas for each of your services. Um, you're currently being indexed for over 222 keywords, but you're only getting 150 people on average to your website per month, and there's a couple thousand in traffic that you have the potential to be drawing to your website. 70% of your organic leads stems from your website, so it's very important that you have it fully optimized to work for you, to work in your favor. Um, 911 restoration is not great. As I mentioned before, they have a zero point 0.1 score with only 195 backlinks. Most of these backlinks are garbage, not helping them and diluting their scores. They do have a lot of content, so they're indexed for 97 keywords, but they're only getting 85 people to their website. So they're not, the backlinks they have going aren't really working with their keywords to help drive that traffic they should be. And the only reason these guys are outranking you is the keywords. They have some keywords that you're not indexed for, and then some of your good keywords, they're ranked above you. And that's based on their content and some of their backlinks. What a backlink. Well, here's your backlink profile. So out of the 1,800, you got 1,400 that are do follows, which is good. 352 no follows, so none of those are going to help you. It would take a while to go through all your backlinks, so we won't do that. We'll just kind of go through it real quick. A backlink is when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant this website is that links to you, the more authority it's going to give you and the more power and rankings. You need to make sure that they are do follow backlinks and not no follows, because a do follow shares the power of those high ranking sites and helps boost you up in Google. And you need to make sure that these backlinks are tied to the keywords you're trying to rank for, so you can be found for those services and in those service areas. And last but not least, you want to make sure that you are in the top 3 of the map pack for your Google My Business page, because 30% of all people come directly here and won't go any further. So if you're not here, you're sending that money to your competition. Now, in order to be here, there's several factors. The most important is citations, which is the name of your business, your address, phone number, website, and listing those in a variety of places like Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages, etc. So you need more of those than your top competitors in every single one of your service areas for each of your keywords. When you follow all these tips I provided you today, your website can become number 1 across Google in every single one of your locations for every single one of your important keywords. We hope that you found this video helpful and would love to get your feedback. Um, if you do want help getting any of this stuff done, though, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.